categories. First one is parallelogram. Second one is kite. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral. Parallelogram is a polygon. If I say parallelogram is a polygon, then we have to say having four straight lines. If we say parallelogram is a quadrilateral, that type of quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel. A quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel, that is called parallelogram. Only one property is important for parallelogram, basic property. What is the basic property?
Which having on opposite sides parallel.
First basic property is parallelogram is a part of or family of quadrilateral. Okay, having four straight lines. Second property and basic property of parallelogram is in parallelogram opposite sides are parallel. Right? Parallelogram opposite sides are parallel. Or we understood this one. What is the basic property in parallelogram? In parallelogram opposite sides should be parallel. Okay? Basic property of a parallelogram is first of all it is a member of quadrilateral, it is a member of polygon. But the basic property is opposite sides should be parallel. Okay, I think it is clear. Now we can define parallelogram in so many ways. First way, parallelogram is a quadrilateral having four straight lines. Quadrilateral means four straight lines. So parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel. That's all. Okay? This is the first definition. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral. Parallelogram is a polygon. You can say parallelogram is a polygon. It means closed figure. Polygon means closed figure. Having four straight lines. And opposite sides should be parallel. So the basic property of parallelogram is opposite sides should be parallel. So hands how we understood this. Parallelogram समझ में आ गया.
My turn have understood. They have just come in classes.
So parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides should be parallel. And one more thing, that is kite. Kite is not in your syllabus, but this is the structure of kite. In kite, these slant sides are equal. Okay, but this is not in your syllabus. We will not discuss about this kite, right? But from parallelogram to parallelogram, it is clear. Parallelogram is a polygon. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral, and parallelogram is also a family of quadrilateral. It is also a part of polygon, in which opposite sides should be parallel. Now, parallelogram is having two wings. First one is rectangle, and second one is rhombus. Rectangle is a polygon. Rectangle is a quadrilateral. Rectangle is a parallelogram. Right? Rectangle is a polygon having four straight lines. Opposite sides are parallel. And four properties added here. That is, each angle is 90 degrees. So this is the figure of rectangle. Here, each angle should be 90 degrees. इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि रेक्टेंगल में अपोजिट साइड्स पैरेलल नहीं होगा ना. रेक्टेंगल इज आल्सो अ पैरेललोग्राम इन विच अपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल. जो रेक्टेंगल है वो पैरेललोग्राम है कि नहीं? If I say that rectangle is a parallelogram, सही है? पहले तो नहीं बोलते. पहले बोलते रेक्टेंगल अलग है, पैरेललोग्राम अलग है. Rectangle is also a parallelogram in which each angle और पीछे से rectangle is a parallelogram in which each angle is 90 degree. एकदम कंसेप्ट क्लियर करना आज इसको, ठीक है, तब वो उस टॉपिक पे जाएंगे। रेक्टेंगल इज ए पॉलीगॉन इन क्लोज्ड फिगर, क्लियर? रेक्टेंगल इज ए क्वाड्रिलैटरल मींस क्लोज्ड फिगर बाउंडेड बाय 4 स्ट्रेट लाइंस। पॉलीगॉन तो 3 से होता है, 5 से होता है, 6 से होता है, लेकिन हमको स्ट्रेस डालना है 4 स्ट्रेट लाइंस। So rectangle is a polygon having opposite sides and each angle is 90 degree. Clear? So rectangle कितने तारीख से डिफाइन कर सकते हैं? हम अगर बोले तो rectangle is that type of parallelogram in which each angle is 90 degree. Correct है? Rectangle उस तरह का parallelogram है जिसका प्रत्येक एंगल 90 डिग्री। रेक्टेंगल पैरेललोग्राम है, लेकिन उस पैरेललोग्राम में एक प्रॉपर्टी ऐड हो गया। वो प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? एंगल 90 डिग्री हो गया। अगर 90 डिग्री हो गया तो वही पैरेललोग्राम रेक्टेंगल कहलाने लगेगा। क्लियर है? तो रेक्टेंगल इज अ पैरेललोग्राम इन व्हिच ईच एंगल इज 90 डिग्री। First definition. Second definition, rectangle is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides should be parallel and each angle is 90 degree. Are you clear? मेरे समझ से आप यहाँ तक क्लियर है? अब next point is rhombus. Rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram in which all sides are equal. Rhombus is a parallelogram in which all sides are equal. That type of parallelogram in which all sides are equal, that is also known as rhombus. ठीक है? What is rhombus? Rhombus is a parallelogram in which all sides are equal. The rhombus is a polygon. Then शुरू करो. Rhombus is a polygon
having 4 straight lines and
rhombus all sides are equal. इस rhombus में कितना प्रॉपर्टी हो गया? एक तो है कि क्लोज फिगर है, दूसरा प्रॉपर्टी है 4 स्ट्रेट लाइंस का क्लोज फिगर है, तीसरा प्रॉपर्टी हो गया अपोजिट साइड्स का पैरेलल है, और चौथा प्रॉपर्टी इसका हो गया कि इसका सभी साइड्स आपस में इक्वल है। ओके, दैट इज rhombus. If you combine the properties of rhombus and rectangle, that is called square. And this is the figure of square. Square is a rectangle. Square is a rhombus. Square is a parallelogram. Square is a quadrilateral. Square is a polygon. Okay? If you define about square, square is a polygon now having four straight lines. Opposite sides. Each angle is so square contains all the properties. Okay? Square contains all the properties. So we can say now square is a rectangle, square is a rhombus, square is a parallelogram, square is a quadrilateral, square is a polygon. समझ आ गया? कंफ्यूजन दूर हो गया? अगर हम कहें कि स्क्वायर रेक्टेंगल है तो सही है, स्क्वायर रॉम्बस है तो सही है। तुम्हारे दिमाग में एक क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि जब सब कुछ सेम है, स्क्वायर रेक्टेंगल भी है, पैरेललोग्राम, तो फर्क क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? आ रहा है सर दिमाग? जब स्क्वायर आप देख रहे हैं कि रेक्टेंगल भी है, स्क्वायर रॉम्बस भी है, स्क्वायर पैरेललोग्राम भी है, स्क्वायर क्वाड्रिलेटरल भी है, तो सब कुछ है। बाइफर्केशन कैसे है? Triangle that is scalene, equilateral and isosceles. With the help of angles, what you say? With the help of angles, right triangle, acute triangle, what do? Okay, so we can define triangle in two ways. First one, triangle is a closed figure bounded by okay. Or other way, triangle is a polygon having three straight lines. Because polygon is a closed figure. Polygon is a closed figure having three straight lines. So triangle is a polygon having three straight lines, either this, or triangle is a closed figure bounded by three straight lines. Right? Come to this quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a polygon. Quadrilateral is a polygon having four straight lines. Or quadrilateral is a closed figure having how many straight lines? Four straight lines. Any closed figure bounded by four straight lines is a quadrilateral. Concept clear हो गया? कोई भी फिगर प्लेन, इस प्लेन में टू डायमेंशनल सरफेस में कोई भी क्लोज्ड फिगर जो चार स्ट्रेट लाइन से बनता है, चार स्ट्रेट लाइन से बने वो ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल का फॉर्म बनाता है. ओके, so quadrilateral is a closed figure bounded by four straight lines, or quadrilateral is a polygon having how many straight lines? Four straight lines. That's it. Okay.